Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by warming the sticker with a hairdryer for 30–60 seconds so the adhesive softens. This makes removal easier and reduces scraping damage. Once done, choose a solvent, vegetable oil or 70% isopropyl alcohol, and test it on an unseen area to confirm it won't discolor the surface. Apply a small amount to a microfiber cloth and press gently into the residue. You should see the glue loosen within a minute. Make sure to work from the edge toward the center. You now focus on breaking the glue bond. Apply solvent and wait 1 to 5 minutes so it penetrates the residue. Patience pays because the adhesive swells and releases. Once the glue softens, blot, don't rub, with a clean cloth to lift dissolved bits, and use a plastic card or nylon toothbrush to scrape in shallow strokes. Make sure to reapply solvent between passes and wipe away loosened glue. If the surface is painted or delicate, switch to shorter weights and lighter pressure to avoid damage. You finish by washing the area with mild soap and water to remove solvent residue and any remaining adhesive. This neutralizes chemicals and prevents streaks. Dry thoroughly, and for wood or porous surfaces, apply a tiny bit of conditioner or mineral oil to restore finish. If a stubborn smear remains, repeat the heat and solvent cycle or switch to a citrus-based adhesive remover, testing first. Troubleshooting tip: if the surface shows damage, stop and use the gentlest method, heat plus plastic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.